Okay, so every day millions of dollars are lost to logic zombies. These are bugs where the server is fine but the user is stuck. No crash logs, no alerts, just a frustrated user leaving a site. Traditional DevOps tools are blind to this. Meet Ouroboros, the first autonomous AI agent that fixes what it sees. Using a lightweight black box recorder, Ouroboros sits silently in the browser. It does not wait for user reports. When user frustration is detected, like a rage click or multiple clicks, and the service is not working, Ouroboros wakes up. It captures the video evidence and sends it to the Gemini agent. Unlike standard bots, Ouroboros uses multimodal vision to correlate the pixels of the error with the text of your codebase. It reads the code. Yeah, so it reads the code, it finds the invisible blocking element, and it writes the patch. Crucially, it pushes the fix to GitHub automatically. No human intervention required. So from the rage click to deploy fix in under just 20 seconds. Previously we have error when you are add to cart the things. So now this fix is being corrected by the Gemini model. If you see the code, the Gemini corrects the code, it reads the whole repository of our website and corrects where the user getting the issues. So we build this using the Gemini latest features for sub-second reasoning. Ouroboros is not just a tool, it's the self-healing immune system for the next generation of software, and it automatically deploys your app to the GitHub and deploy it on the server. So judges, thank you for your time, and I hope you like this project, and feel free try it yourself at the link below.